Okay, let's get it ashore. How about this for a pickup? It's a new Courier, imported by Ford. What's it got for you? Well, how about a peppy 1800cc engine up here? Great on gas and a big, comfortable cab. The price? $22.22.
Manufacturer suggested retail price. Destination charge, $24. Dealer preparation charges, if any, state and local taxes extra.
Why not import it to your driveway? At your Ford dealers now.
Yes, sir?
Got a special deal now on Ford pickups, right?
Right. They're our Explorer Special pickups, equipped with special option packages at discount prices.
Okay, what do I get?
Well, for a few months, these Explorer Specials come with special paint and interiors in a choice of option packages that includes things like cruise-o-matic, power steering, even air conditioning, and at discount prices.
Can I get all my dogs in here?
Yes, sir.
I mean all my dogs?
See your Ford dealer now. What would you say if some college kids asked to borrow your car for 100,000 miles? We said yes to the auto tech class at Chaffey College, California, and they drove a Ford Pinto with optional 2-liter engine and disc brakes night and day for 100,000 miles. They did their own servicing and repairs and formed their own opinions.
The Pinto's rack and pinion steering is really solid, and there's hardly any body roll at all in the car.
I'm really surprised that the car this light has the response that it does. It really accelerates. It's really a lot of fun to drive. It's really a tight car.
The brakes were very good considering all the mileage, and no maintenance was ever performed on them.
It's got real tight steering and handles easy on turns. Pinto has real good acceleration, and it keeps up with everything else on the road.
You won't need 100,000 miles to know Pinto's different where it counts. Once around the block, we'll show you. Test drive a Pinto at your Ford dealers.
Right now, 72 midsize cars have frozen 71 prices. But of all leading midsize cars, one has unfrozen its styling, its design, its engineering. Ford's Torino. We wanted to give you a quieter ride, more precise handling. So Torino has a more rugged frame, new suspension, new front disc brakes, and more. It's the midsize car that's completely new for 72. Your Ford dealer's Torino, only the price is frozen.